Hello students, this is Archana Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine, beta. In today's class, we are going to discuss some new chapters in our GK classes. Okay, so our chapter today our chapter is chapter number 44, and the chapter number 44 is satellite launch stations in India. Okay, now we are going to discuss about some launch stations. Now we are going to discuss about some satellite launch stations in India. Okay, satellites are an important assets for any country. Okay, today satellites are aiding in major areas of our lives like communication and weather forecast. So satellites is used for many purpose, and the most important purpose of satellite is communication and वेदर फोरकास्ट. ओके, वेदर के बारे में जानकारी हमें सैटेलाइट के थ्रू मिलती है. एंड इंडिया हैज अ नंबर ऑफ रॉकेट लॉन्च स्टेशन साइट्स. ओके, सो हाँ, इन आवर कंट्री देयर आर सो मेनी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च स्टेशंस. द रॉकेट्स कैरी द सैटेलाइट्स इनटू स्पेस, एंड उन सैटेलाइट्स को स्पेस में भेजने के लिए हम हेल्प लेते हैं रॉकेट्स की. ओके, एंड नाउ देयर आर सम सैटेलाइट लॉन्च साइट्स, एंड द फर्स्ट साइट इज सतीश. फर्स्ट साइट इज सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर, श्रीहरिकोटा. श्रीहरिकोटा इन आंध्र प्रदेश. आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके, सो this is the satellite launch site Satish Dhawan Space Center. In which state this satellite launch site is? In Andhra Pradesh. Okay, in Andhra Pradesh. And beta, now our second launching site. Okay, and second launching site is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Okay, second is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram, केरला. सेकेंड लॉन्च स्टेशन है विक्रम साराभाई स्पेस सेंटर. इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? इन तिरुवनंतपुरम. ओके, इन केरला स्टेट. ओके बेटा, नाउ आई होप यू ऑल क्लियर अबाउट द सेकेंड लॉन्च स्टेशन. एंड नाउ द थर्ड is the third station is Balasore, Odisha. Okay, Thumba equatorial rocket launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Okay. This is one more satellite launch site, Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, and this station also located in the district of Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Okay, beta. Now the fifth launch station is Wheeler Island. Okay, the fifth launch station is Wheeler Island, now named Abdul Kalam Island. Okay, and this island is in Odisha. Wheeler Island, now named Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha. Okay, and last fifth number satellite launch site is Wheeler Island. Okay, and now इस आइलैंड का नाम अब चेंज होकर के क्या हो गया है, नाउ नेम्ड एज अब्दुल कलाम आइसलैंड. ओके, नाउ व्हीलर आइसलैंड इज चेंज्ड. नाउ एट प्रेजेंट टाइम द नेम ऑफ व्हीलर आइसलैंड इज अब्दुल कलाम आइसलैंड एंड द लोकेशन ऑफ दिस satellite launch site is in Odisha. Okay, beta. Now I hope you all clear. You can take a screenshot. And did you know ISRO built India's first satellite? Okay, ISRO built India's first satellite, and the name of that satellite is Aryabhatta, which was launched by the erstwhile Soviet Union on 19 April 1975. Okay, so Aryabhatta launch किया गया था in the year of 1975 with the help of Soviet Union. And the second important point is in 1980 Rohini became the first satellite to be placed in orbit by an Indian made launch vehicle SLV-3. Okay, so Rohini is a first satellite who to be placed in orbit by Indian made लॉन्च व्हीकल, जिसको कि इंडियन लॉन्च व्हीकल से लॉन्च किया गया था इन ऑर्बिट. ओके, एंड थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज द ईस्ट वेयर सोवियत यूनियन सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च स्पुतनिक फर्स्ट on October 4, 1951. It was the world first artificial satellite. Okay, so Sputnik first is world's first artificial satellite. Okay, now beta the chapter number 44 is completed, and now we are moving to the next chapter, the chapter 45. Okay, in this chapter identify the following pupils associated with the IT industries. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ pupils के images हैं जिनको कि हमें identify करना as IT industry. Now our first image is founders of Apple computers. Okay, and the first image is Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Okay, the answer is Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. And beta, the second image of the founder of World Wide Web. Okay, the image of the second image of world, the founder of World Wide Web, and the name of that person is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee. And the third image is founder of Google. Okay, the third image is the founder of Google, and the founder of Google is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Okay, and the fourth image of founder of Microsoft. Who was the founder of Microsoft? Yes, the founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Okay. Now the fifth image is founder of Facebook. I hope you all know about the founder name of Facebook, because it is very popular name. Yes, the founder of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. And now the sixth image of founder of Twitter. The founder of Twitter is Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey. And beta, the seventh founder of YouTube. Who was the founder of YouTube? Yes, the founder of YouTube is Chad Hurley and Steve Chen and Javed Karim. And beta, the last founder of Wikipedia. The name of the founder of Wikipedia is Jimmy Wales. Okay, Jimmy Wales. Clear? Now you can take a screenshot of all the founder of IT industry. Now we are moving to the next chapter, chapter number 46. Chapter number 46. Medical. Okay, now our chapter number 46 is related to medical field. Okay, medical specialist. Okay, a doctor who specialize in the treatment of a particular disease. Okay, कोई भी डॉक्टर जो कि किसी भी पर्टिकुलर डिजीज के लिए स्पेशलाइज्ड होता है हैज अ स्पेशल नेम. ओके, हैज अ स्पेशल नेम by which he or she is known. Okay, now read the statements given below and write the correct names used for the doctors. Okay, and our first statement is a doctor who specializes in the treatment of heart disease. Okay, so the name of that we can call that doctor as cardiologist. Okay, cardiologist. We can call that doctor who was specialized in heart treatment. We can call them as cardiologist. Okay, and the second statement is a doctor who specializes in the correction of skeletal and spinal deformities. Okay, and we know that doctor as orthopedist. Okay, we know that doctor as orthopedist. Clear beta? And now our third statement is a doctor who specializes in treatment of diseases of the nerves. Okay, वो डॉक्टर जो किसी भी नर्व से रिलेटेड डिजीजेस का ट्रीटमेंट करता है, वी नो दैट डॉक्टर एज न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट. As neurologist. Okay, and now our fourth statement is a doctor who specializes in the treatment of eye disease. वो डॉक्टर जो आई डिजीज का ट्रीटमेंट करता है, वी नो दैट डॉक्टर एज ophthalmologist. Okay, ophthalmologist. Clear? And now the fifth statement is a doctor who specializes in the treatment of women's disease. Okay, वो डॉक्टर जो कि women's disease से रिलेटेड ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, we know as gynecologist. Okay, gynecologist. And now our sixth number statement is a doctor who specializes in the treatment of kidney diseases. Okay, we know as nephrologist. Nephrologist. And our seventh number statement is a doctor who specializes in the science of diseases and their symptoms. Okay, and we know them as pathologist. Pathologists. Clear beta? And the 8th number statement is a doctor who specializes in the treatment of cancer. वो डॉक्टर जो कैंसर की ट्रीटमेंट करने में जिनको स्पेशलाइजेशन होता है, we know that doctor as oncologist. Okay, oncologist. Clear beta? Now you can take a screenshot Now we are going to discuss about chapter number 47. In this chapter, famous Indian in science. Okay, we are going to discuss some famous Indians who are famous in science. Indian scientists and innovators have brought fame to the nation worldwide. Do you know their names? Okay, beta, and here is some names. Uh, the first person is, he is an orthopedic surgeon. He is a Padma Bhushan awardee. He operated on former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's knee, and the name of that person is Chittaranjan Singh Ranawat. Okay, Chittaranjan Singh Ranawat. Clear it now? And now the second famous name is, he is an Indian American physician. He has taught at the medical schools of Tufts University, Boston University and Harvard University, but later he turned towards the Ayurveda. Okay, and the name of that person is Deepak Chopra. Deepak Chopra. And now the third person, the third important person, he is an Indian born American physician, he is an Indian born American physicist and a best selling author. He was the first student to receive PhD degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in quantum physics in 1958. And beta, the name of that person is Mani Lal Bhaumik. Mani Lal Bhaumik. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the next important person, and he is an Indian born American physicist known for his work in fiber optics. He was named as one of the 7 unsung heroes by Fortune magazine. Okay, so इनका नाम Fortune magazine में भी आया हुआ है, and that magazine is very popular. Okay, and the name of that person is Narinder Singh Kapani. The name of that person is Narinder Singh Kapani. Okay, and beta, this is the last person. The point number 5th is, he is an inventor, entrepreneur and venture capitalist. He is popularly known as the father of the Pentium chips. Okay, and we know, and the name of that person is Vinod Dham. The name of that person is Vinod Dham. Okay, now the chapter 47 is completed. You can take a screenshot, beta. Now today our GK class is completed. We will continue our next chapters in our next classes. So thank you class.